Greetings everyone. This is my self-introduction in purposive communication. Hi, I am Midshipman Brian G.B. Agravante from Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering or BS Mari 1B11. So let's start. So why did I chose to take a maritime course? Bakit ba ako nagplano na maging marinero? Well, I chose to take a maritime course because I have a deep interest in the sea and its vast opportunities. I am passionate about exploring different cultures and traveling to different parts of the world. Uh, of course, because it is free to travel when you are a seaman. Mhm. Becoming a mariner would give me the chance to work in a dynamic field that combines adventure, skills, and responsibility. I also see it as a way to provide for my family. Being a marinero has a very big salary and have a stable, it also will give me a stable career while doing something I enjoy. How can I show respect to others in class? Give 3 examples. So the first thing I can show to give respect to others is listening carefully, because paying attention when others are speaking and avoid interrupting will show that I have a value to their subject or what they are talking about in front. Second is being punctual and prepared. Arriving on time and ready for class show respect for the teacher time and classmate. To avoid early is a good thing. And third is offering help and support. If I see someone struggling or in need of assistance, I can lend a hand or offer encouragement to create a supportive learning environment. Helping is sharing, caring. And in 5 years, I will be, I think, I should. In 5 years, I will be a licensed marinero working on a ship and gaining more experience to even take on leadership role as a officer. I will be a chief engineer in the future. And for the last is, what legacy would I choose to be remembered by, or anong pamana ang gusto kong iwan sa mundo? I would like to be remembered as someone who made a positive impact on others, whether through mentorship, kindness, or helping others achieve their goals, etc. I want to leave a legacy of hard work, dedication, and integrity in both my career and personal life. I want people to remember my name to be good and successful marine engineer someday. And that's all. Again, I am Midshipman Brian G.B. Agravante from BS Mari 1B11. This is my self-introduction. Thank you for watching.